Let me show you all motions and gestures that we have available on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8. So we need to go to settings and scroll down over here, and then we should be able to find advanced features. Most of the gestures and motions you can find here in motions and gestures. So we can find, for example, lift to wake over here. We have double tap to turn on this screen and also to turn off this screen. We can also activate or deactivate the palm swipe to capture, which is the gesture for a screenshot, of course. We have palm touch to turn off screen. We can also enable alerts when phone is picked up, so your phone can vibrate when you pick it up if you miss a call. And also we have the option to mute incoming calls and alarms by covering this screen with our hand or by turning the phone face down. And that's pretty much it here. But in addition to that, we can also go to the multi-window to find two additional gestures. The swipe for split screen gesture that looks like this. Over here we need to enable it, so you can use two fingers and swipe them to the middle to activate the split screen view. And here's also for the pop-up view, which we can of course enable and slightly adjust the area that you can use to activate the pop-up view. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.